रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर दाए रोशनी उम्मीद है
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning my grade 8 and grade 9 students. My learners, today I am going to teach you about the atomic number and atomic mass from unit number 1, fundamentals of chemistry. Atomic number. Atomic number is denoted by capital Z. Dear students, it has been found that the atoms of one element differ from those of the other elements just because by the number of protons which is present in their nuclei, which is present in their nucleus. No two elements have the same number of protons. As the atom is electrically neutral, means having no charge, so they have the same number of electrons as the number of protons. The number of neutrons in the atom of an element is different and cannot be used to characterize the atom, to identify the atom. Elements are therefore arranged in periodic table on the basis of number of protons in their nucleus, in their nuclei. This number of protons is called the atomic number and it is represented by the symbol capital Z. Atomic number capital Z equals to number of protons or number of electrons in an atom. Dear students, the atomic number of an element is the number of proton which is present in the nucleus of one atom of that element. Here we have example hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. Hydrogen contain one proton in their nucleus. Carbon and oxygen contain 6 and 8 protons in their nucleus respectively. Thus, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, atomic number of carbon is 6, and atomic number of oxygen is 8. Similarly, atomic number of sodium having symbol Na is 11, and atomic number of chlorine having symbol Cl is 17. Mass number denoted by capital A. Dear students, mass number is also called nucleon number. Mass number is also known as nucleon number. As proton and neutron are relatively heavier particles than electron, so mass of an atom depends upon the number of protons and neutrons which is found or which is present in the nucleus. Mass number is represented by mass number is denoted by capital A. The mass number of an atom is equal to the sum of number of protons and neutrons which is present in the nucleus. The addition of the number of protons and neutrons is called mass number. Mass number equals to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Hence, the number of neutron can be calculated as number of neutron equals to mass number minus number of protons. When the number of mass number is subtracted from the numbers of protons, so it becomes number of neutrons. And it is represented symbolical representation of atomic number and mass number as such. X is atomic symbol and A is mass number and capital Z is atomic number. So it is symbolic representation of atomic number and mass number. Dear students, now here we have examples. So let's know about the atomic number, mass number and subatomic particles of carbon. Carbon atomic number is 6. Its number of proton having symbol Z equals to 6. Number of electrons is equal to 6. And as we know that mass number having symbol capital A is the addition of proton and neutrons. So as we know that the number of proton of carbon is 6, number of neutron is 6. So proton plus neutron equals to 12. So the mass number of carbon is 12. Thus, carbon can be represented by C6 and 12. C6 into 12. Carbon, its atomic number is 6 and mass number is 12. And it is the symbolic representation of carbon. Hence, the number of neutrons can be determined as A minus Z. A is mass number and Z is atomic number. So whenever we subtract atomic number, mass number from atomic number, so we can determine the number of neutrons. So A minus Z, 12 minus 6 equals to 6. So number of neutron is 6. Dear students, now it's your assignment. Test yourself. First one is an atom of lithium has 3 protons and 4 neutrons in its nucleus. You have to find out first one, what is its atomic number and atomic mass number and atomic number. Second, how many electrons does it have? Question number second, the atomic number of iron Fe is 26 and atomic mass or mass number is 56. So you have to find out first one is how many protons and electrons does an iron atom have. Second, how many neutrons does an iron atom have? Question number third is, do you know any element having no neutron in its atom? Stay safe, stay blessed, take care and Khuda Hafiz.